Today we're going to learn on how to request leave through the WebWork dashboard. In order to do so, you'd simply have to navigate to the time off section in which you'll be able to locate leave, click on leave, and simply click on request leave. Now, in order for you to request a leave, you'll simply have to be assigned to a leave policy within the workspace. Once you're assigned to a leave policy, you'll be able to select the leave policy, which can include vacations, PTOs, sick leaves, and so on. As soon as you select the sick leave or the vacation leave, you'll be able to assign the date, from what time to what time you might be taking leave, and then is it going to be a full day, first half, second half, along with the reason of the leave. So the reason might be sometimes mandatory or optional depending on your workspace configurations. And in addition to this, you'll also be able to upload any supporting files or any files that might be relevant to your leave. Once you set up the reason of the leave, you'll be able to request, and it's also going to show you how much it's deducting from your total balance. After requesting the leave, it's gonna await for approval from the admins of the workspace, in which they'll have to approve or reject the leave. And once it's approved, you'll be able to go to your leave balance to see how many days you still have within your leave balance. Thank you for your time and have a nice one.